Hey guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to break down your financials and basically simplify difficult goals down to something that's much more achievable. So I have this Excel sheet that I'm going to link in the description below, something I just put together. But what it is it shows you your yearly goal, your average order value. This is something that could be applied to anything. Social media marketing, consulting, even e-commerce. So yearly goal, average order value, conversion rate, number of units needed to hit goals, number of pitches / calls / impressions / proposals needed. Let's use consulting as an example. Let's say you want to hit, say, $200,000 every single year. Your average order value, meaning how much you'll sell per client. Let's say you charge a $2,500 consulting fee. Let's say your conversion rate is roughly 1 in 4. 1 in 4 people you close for $2,500. So 25%. And as you can see, as I've popped those values in, everything populates. So I'll be giving you guys this Excel sheet. You just copy and paste it onto your own Excel Google Sheets, and the formulas would basically automatically do everything. But it says that in order to hit my goals, I'm gonna have to close 80 students, and that sounds massive. And then at a 25% conversion rate, I'm gonna have to jump on 320 calls. That sounds a lot. But then as I break it down to monthly, instead of $200,000 over the year, I have to make 17,000 every single month. I only have to close 6 to 7 students a month, meaning I have to make 26 calls a month. Let's break it down even further to daily, meaning I need to make $550 daily. But if you see, all it takes to hit $200,000 is less than 1 call a day. Jumping on a call a day, that seems hella simple and achievable, and this is sort of the goal of this graph. Let's sort of use e-commerce for an example. You want to make 6 figures with e-commerce. You want to net 6 figures. Let's say your product goes for, say, $50. Let's say actually $30. Your conversion rate is roughly 4%. That means you're going to have to sell 3,300 units. You're going to have to make 83,000 impressions. And if you break that down to daily, you only have to make under $300 a day to hit 6 figures in sales. You only have to sell 9 units every single day to hit 6 figures. And you only need to hit 228 impressions. So you need to show your products to more than 228 people, and that is really easy if you think about it. You know, people are paying $20 CPMs, and that's cost per 1,000 impressions. You only need to let 200 to 300 people see your product to hit 6 figures by the end of the year in revenue. Of course, your conversion rate might be lower. There's profit margin, there's cost of goods, there's Facebook ads, all that things comes into play. But what this Excel sheet will do is simplify it to something that's achievable and less intimidating. Because when you look at 100,000, 3,000 units need to be sold, you have 83,000 impressions, that's hella intimidating. But this will automatically break it down and tell you, all you need is just 9 sales a day. It's that simple. And yeah, I just wanted to show you this because it helped me just then, because it showed me just then that if I wanted to make $200,000 a year doing consulting, all I had to do is just jump on 1 call a day. Let's see how much calls a day it takes to make, say, 1 million. So let's say 1 million. I want to hit 1 million a year. Average order value, let's say I go from $2,500 mentorship programs to, say, $5,000 mentorship programs. Conversion rate, let's stick out 25% because now it's more expensive. Your conversion rate is going to stay the same even if you get better at closing. So I'm going to have to obtain 200 clients, jump on 800 calls, and breaking it down daily, that's 2 calls a day. It doesn't matter if it's a success or a fail, if I close them or not. If I do 2 calls every single day, I'm going to make $1 million by the end of the year. That's why I love this Excel sheet. So hopefully you guys are able to implement it. I'm going to link it in the description below, and hopefully it's able to break things down to something that's much more achievable and show you that. I think Gary Vee said something like, you overestimate what you could do in 1 year and you underestimate what you could do in a day. And that's exactly what happens. You know, if you just jump on 2 calls every single day, you can become a millionaire. But people are always thinking about becoming a millionaire. They don't put in that daily work. And yeah, hopefully this is pretty eye-opening for me personally. So I'm shocked by these numbers and these breakdowns. So hopefully you'll be able to put in your own numbers for your own situation and open your eyes and hopefully change something in your business or your daily routine to hit those daily goals, to then achieve your monthly goals, to then achieve your yearly goals. Other than that, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, drop a like below. If you have any questions whatsoever, drop it in the comments below. Other than that, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe because I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow. Peace.
Yeah, yeah.